It's a bit noisy. So, you join me in another wonderful British day, which is very rare for Britain. Look, we've even got some horses, very good, but they're not subject of the video. So, look, here we have a sticker. I never thought I would do this. I never thought I'd put a vinyl sticker on the car, but I'm going to. Do I know how? No. This is a Talbot stripe, I think. Well, that's what comes up when I put it into eBays and the like. So that's what this is. This is used on mainly 205s. I've seen it on a few 405s. Basically rally heritage and yada yada. I'm going to put this on my car to show the rally heritage that it doesn't have. Or maybe I'm just a complete chav. Maybe we should go over the latter. So, anyway, let's go over to the front of the car. What the hell was that? So this is where I'm planning to install it, on the front grille, where you would normally install such things. I'm planning to put it along here. I've seen a lot of people put them on 306s, usually the Mark IIs, which is strange because they don't have this style grille. And this style grille is what they usually, what the 205 sort of have. Obviously the 205s is a bit different, but it's the same sort of thing. So the plan is to put it at an angle along there. I'm only going to put it on this thinner rung here because I don't want it to be too obnoxious. I only want a small bit of it. And then I'll have a lot of it left over as well because this is quite a big piece. So yeah, I've been struggling for ages to figure out what angle I'm going to put it at, but I'm just going to literally put it at the same angle as the light there. Don't know if I'm going to put it right up next to it or have a little bit of a gap. I might have a little bit of a gap. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I've never ever installed a sticker like this before, so I have no idea how this is going to go or how I'm going to do it. I'm not sure if I should be doing it dry or doing it with soapy water. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. So here we go, not knowing what I'm doing. I'm obviously going to clean the area off first because this is just soapy water in a spray bottle. Is that a chip? I've got a chip on my paint there. No. Don't know why I'm cleaning all of it. What's doing all these mods? You keep finding that you have like chips and scratches everywhere. Like I just found I now have a chip there. That's really bugging me actually. Oh well. Bit more of a clean. I've opened the inside of the bonnet because I've just realised that the sticker's going to be going overlapping along this bit, which will be much easier just to wipe off when the bonnet's open. I'll try and get underneath it as well because the sticker will be going underneath on the other side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll be honest, I'm actually scared about doing this. Got a little squeegee thing. So there's loads of white bits all over it, I'm not sure what they're from. Oh well. It's got to go that way around, I'm pretty sure. Same angle as that. So I guess just peel it and stick it. Try and get the angle right. Just stick it on, try and squeegee it out. There isn't a lot. There really is there. Right, that is very, very grippy. Right. Scrubbish, I'll use my fingers. I think that's worked. I hope. Possibly. Like I said, I've never done this before, so hopefully this works. And I've got a pair of scissors. I was going to use a knife, but scissors might be better. Right. What I want to try and do is save as much of this as I possibly can. This is not the best way, that's for sure. Watch an orangutan oh no. Watch an oaf install a sticker. It doesn't do it very well. Lower the hood. Hopefully we've still got recording going. Ah. Yeah, you can see where it's been cut. That hasn't actually gone as the plan as I thought. Oh god. Yeah, you can actually see it looks wonky. Where oh no, I've got to redo this. No, I've got to get that off. Well, at least it comes off well. So it looks almost like I could reuse that, but I'm not gonna. Goodbye. Oh, that hurt me. Well, that's not gone well, has it? So then, we have stumbled across an issue, which means we actually have to think about this, which is going to be difficult for my unintelligent brain to comprehend. So, yeah, I better get thinking, I suppose. First things first, I know I've actually got it, instead of just shoving it on then cutting it to size, I'm actually going to have to cut it to size, then just stick it on in one go. So I've got to cut it to size so it actually fits along the top bit. Because, yeah, I didn't realise how much you can actually see that top bar. I went for the small bar, but you can see a lot of it on the top, which is, yeah. I mean, I suppose I could cut it short, but I'd have to get it so accurately straight. I don't know. Maybe, oh, I don't know anymore. I had an idea and I've literally just forgot it. This is why I'm so dumb. I'm glad they gave me a lot. The idea was I wanted to put a bit on the spoiler as well, on the back, with the leftovers, but I won't have any leftovers after my cock-up, so such is life. Things happen. So then, let's line this up the light again. Oh yeah, that looks about right. I'm shaking around for some reason. That was a horse farting. Just now you know what a horse fart sounds like. You're welcome. So now, I think I may have cut this. I've cut this. God damn it! Right, longer bit this time. Hopefully I can actually see where I've got to cut this. I can't really, can I? Let's just start by doing a rough cut along there. Let's not actually cut it, that's annoying. I need to do it a bit harder. It's scary. Yeah, I can't actually see. Oh, okay, that's good. Good. Right, I'm not even sure how much I just recorded then, because the phone decided to go to its home screen for some reason. So we have just literally cut. Oh, there goes the cardboard. We've cut it to this sort of size, so it's now time to stick it on. Hope for the best, I suppose. Oh, not peeling off. There we go. Right, this is the bit that makes or breaks it now. Right. This is self-steering there. Kind of locked. It's the last that we have to do this with. Come on, work. Oh no, that's really steering that there. Oh shit. Oh no, we might be alright. What's the camera doing? I've only got 3 minutes left. I've taken a load of footage off this. Oh, what's that? Why is that not going down there? Okay, we got rid of it. It's alright. We're alright. That's not working. Why do I feel like I'm going to have problems with this sticker in future? Like, big problems with this sticker in future. Right, we've got bits hanging off because there's nothing for it to stick to underneath. But I don't actually know what else I can do with that, but that's probably the best I'm going to get from this. So there we go. That's it on, apparently. From here it looks a bit odd. I don't know, it's a bit like the fog lights. I had to get used to them. I think getting used to something isn't really the idea of car mods. Is that sticking up? Was that? Oh no, it's just a shadow. Oh phew, that scared me. Yeah, underneath it's just horrible. There's areas which it hasn't really stuck down fully. I'm really hoping that they don't become cause havoc in future, like water getting under them and peeling it off. I've tried as hard as I can to keep them down. It's just hopeless. that is the Talbot stripe installed. I will leave the harsh comments of YouTube to judge. Not that many people actually watch these videos anyway, but I'm sure there'll be one person going, "Oh, you're so chavvy, that looks disgusting." Yes, I'm a chav. I couldn't help myself. I said to myself I would not chav my car. Well, look what I've done. Just at the front of the car you can already see. And I haven't got the multicoloured lights on. So, yeah. Can't help myself, can I? But at least this has got some relation to Peugeot-ish heritage. I think Talbot was a brand of car, and I'm pretty sure it got bought out by Peugeot. And then Peugeot stopped making them. If I am correct, I'm pretty sure that's what happened. But yeah, it's a sort of a dedication to its rally heritage, which this car didn't really have much rally heritage. But it's 20 bhp, that'll make my car faster, that will. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you enjoyed watching me fail. Because, yeah, I suppose it goes to say that we all do have moments that mess up and go wrong. I'm one of those people that will... I was thinking I was going to cut it out of the video. I thought, you know what, I might cut the fail out of the video. But you know what, I've decided to... Oh, get my finger in the shot, yeah, another fail. I'm actually going to leave in the fail, because it just goes to show that we all do have a mess up once in a while, and it doesn't always go to plan, which it didn't for me. But in the end, it all worked out okay. All in all, I think that's gone as well as it could go. It's not gone as well as in my head, but nothing goes as well as it does in my head. So yeah, I think that's the same for most people. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you like or hate it. I will accept the hate comments. I will probably try and ignore them, because otherwise I'll start crying, because that's probably not going to come off now. It's been on there for about an hour. So yeah, and let's hope I don't get bullied at college or something weird.